Welcome all. In this video, we are going to introduce the third experiment, that is a distribution coefficient of iodine between an organic liquid and an aqueous liquid at room temperature. Hope all of you know the Nernst distribution law. That is, when we add a solute to the mixture of two solvents which are immiscible with each other, the solute will distribute between these two solvents, and we will get a constant for the ratio of the concentration of the X in solvent A to the concentration of the X in solvent B. That is, the concentration of X in solvent A by concentration of X in solvent B will be a constant that is called as the Nernst distribution coefficient, and we are going to validate this law by taking iodine, which is distributed between the organic solvent, that is CCl4, and water at room temperature, and Rajeshri ma'am will be demonstrating this experiment for you.
The reagents required for this experiment are iodine CCl4 solution, 3% solution, CCl4, sodium thiosulfate solution, 0.02 normal, potassium iodide crystals, starch solution, and DI water. First, pipette out 10 ml of 3% iodine CCl4 solution into a stoppered reagent bottle. Now pipette out 10 ml of CCl4 into this bottle. Then add 100 ml of DI water to this. After adding all these reagents, shake the bottle well for 1 hour. Similarly, a second set is also prepared by pipetting out 15 ml iodine CCl4, 5 ml CCl4 and 100 ml DI water. This is also shaken well for 1 hour. After shaking 1 hour, this is transferred into a separating funnel and kept undisturbed for half an hour so that the two layers separates out. After half an hour, the two layers are separated. Organic layer is at the bottom and the aqueous layer is on the top. Now we have to separate these two layers into separate beakers. First, transfer the organic layer into a beaker. The intermediate layer is discarded and aqueous layer is transferred to another beaker. We have separated the aqueous layer and the organic layer separately. Now we have to find out the concentration of iodine in these two layers by titrating it with sodium thiosulfate solution. Pipette out 2 ml of organic layer into a conical flask. Add 25 ml water. Potassium iodide and then 1 ml starch and titrate against sodium thiosulfate solution. Endpoint will be the complete disappearance of blue color. This is the endpoint. Similarly, 20 ml of aqueous layer is pipetted out into a conical flask. Add potassium iodide crystals and 1 ml starch and titrated against sodium thiosulfate solution. The end point is the complete disappearance of blue color. From the data obtained, partition coefficient K is calculated. Similarly, these procedures are repeated for the second bottle also.